So we all know that you are what you eat, right? Healthy eating plus a healthy lifestyle makes for a healthy human. And it doesn't take a scientist to know that either. And that's what we're all about here at Healthy Human. But the real scary thing is, even when you think you're making healthy choices with your food, it's what you don't see that might be the problem. Let's look at fish, for example. Fish, you would think, very healthy, right? Lots of omega-3s and proteins, but there might be an ingredient that you don't know about that's not so healthy, and that's microplastics. Our oceans have been inundated by plastic for the last 60 to 70 years. In fact, it's estimated that by 2050, there'll be more plastic in the ocean than fish by weight. Plastic's everywhere, and inevitably it does get ingested by the fish. And unfortunately, it doesn't decay, it just biomagnifies, and the microplastics often end up where the fish does, on your plate. In 2018, in the Northwest Atlantic, 73% of mesopelagic fish had microplastics in their stomachs. That's 3/4 of all bottom feeders. And who eats them? Tuna. Who eats tuna? We do. The thing is, when you think you're actually eating healthy, you might be consuming very toxic plastic. If you're filleting a fresh catch at your house and a bunch of plastic spills out, you wouldn't eat it. But the real scary part is microplastics are invisible to the naked eye. Humans are big-time producers and consumers of plastic, and plastic takes hundreds of years to degrade. In fact, globally, people consumed 1 million plastic water bottles every single minute. And in America alone, 500 million straws are used every single day, while another 50 billion water bottles are used in a year. So this means that there's 18 billion pounds worth of plastic flowing into the ocean. To give you some context of that, that's about 25 Empire State Buildings worth of plastic flowing into the ocean every single year. You may be thinking to yourself, plastic's recyclable. Well, guess how much plastic is actually recycled? 9%. That's right, just 9%. We have to stop this plastic epidemic for our health, for the health of the marine life that often mistake plastic for food, and for the health of our planet. And that's why we started Healthy Human, because we understand that planet health and human health, they go hand in hand. So when we treat our planet right, we treat our bodies right, and vice versa. Our sustainable, reusable stainless steel water bottles, tumblers, and other products cut back on plastic consumption, replacing potentially thousands of discarded plastic water bottles with ones that will last forever, in your home and not the ocean. Most recently, we released various stainless steel straw options, not only for you to purchase, but also for businesses. It's our goal to reduce single-use plastic consumption, one straw at a time. Take our classic Stein lid, for example. It's lined with stainless steel, so your drink will never touch plastic. Our products are completely BPA-free, and our packaging is 100% recyclable. Healthy Human is not just another water bottle. We're a lifestyle, one that's committed to being as kind to the environment as possible. We know that when people make healthy decisions, that it doesn't just impact themselves, it impacts the entire world. And that's what we really need now more than ever. People committed to making real, meaningful, sustainable change. We also know that not all plastic is bad. It's the single-use convenient plastic we need to kick. A seemingly small step, like reducing your plastic consumption, actually adds up to huge global change, and the good kind of global change. Let's work together and give the planet the kind of love and care it needs.